We all strive for the same thing, right? Exactly. Here is TooLorg, the state-of-the-art inventory and process management system for car workshops around the world. TooLorg helps the workshop manager to make sure that he always has all required tools and equipment available in his inventory for every repair for every customer. And in addition, TooLorg ensures that the right tool is always in the right place at the right time. Whether for the workshop mechanic or the workshop manager, TooLorg is the essential tool for efficient and interlocking workshop processes. While Workshop Manager Bob uses the tool planning feature in TooLorg for efficient capacity utilization and punctual execution, he assigns concrete tasks to his employees and reserves the necessary tools for the job. He immediately recognizes any deadline conflicts and rectifies them. That makes it easier for Mechanic Tom to plan his daily work. He can stay fully focused on the repair. Not only can he be sure that the necessary assets such as tools are available, thanks to intelligent tracking, he always knows exactly where they are. With the check-in and check-out function, every employee knows who is using which asset at any given time. TooLorg shows detailed information for every individual asset: location, availability, condition, etc., etc., etc. And if it happens that all of your own tools are reserved, in repair, or being used outside, TooLorg offers the option to efficiently manage borrowed tools from another dealer in your group. TooLorg is the central tool that allows you to optimize your processes and to administrate workshop assets effectively with a minimum of effort. That gets your customers back on the road faster. TooLorg.